Welcome to Safe Roads Driving School, your go-to destination for mastering the art of driving. In today's video, we'll explore the laws governing driving lessons in the great state of New Jersey. So, buckle up, because it's time to hit the road to knowledge. It's important to respect and understand these laws because they ensure the safety and well-being of everyone on the road. These laws aren't just about crossing T's and dotting I's, they're the foundation of a responsible driving culture. By following these laws, we contribute to safer roads, reduce accidents, and protect ourselves and our fellow drivers. So, whether you're a seasoned driver or just starting your journey, it's crucial to be aware of these laws. Not only will they help you pass your driving test, but they will also shape you into a confident, skilled, and responsible driver. Are you ready to take a deep dive into the laws governing driving lessons in New Jersey? Let's go! First things first, whenever you hop behind the wheel in New Jersey, make sure you have your valid driver's license, probationary license, or a validated permit. Safety is the name of the game, so don't forget your insurance and vehicle registration cards. When you're driving with a validated New Jersey permit, you need to have an adult supervising driver by your side. But not just any adult. We're talking about someone who's at least 21 years old, holds a valid New Jersey driver's license, and has a minimum of 3 years of driving experience. It's like having a trusty sidekick on your driving adventures. Moving, no problem. Within 1 week of your address change, don't forget to report it to the Motor Vehicle Commission. Even if you're leaving the state, let the MVC know about your exciting journey. If you've legally changed your name due to marriage, divorce, or a court order, it's time to give the MVC a heads up within 2 weeks. Let them know you're still the same awesome driver, just with a shiny new name. Are you a new resident with an out-of-state license? Within 60 days, 30 days for commercial driver licenses, it's time to apply for your New Jersey license or CDL, whichever comes first. Say goodbye to the old and hello to the new. Visiting New Jersey from another country, buckle up for an international driving experience. You can use your valid foreign license for up to a year. Time to explore the Garden State with confidence. If you're planning to operate large trucks, buses, or vehicles carrying hazardous materials, there are additional testing standards to meet. But remember, it all starts with obtaining a valid basic New Jersey driver license. New to the world of driving? Not to worry. The MVC has got you covered with the Graduated Driver License Program. It's designed to introduce driving privileges in phases, giving you the skills and experience you need to become a confident driver. Hey, young drivers, if you're under 18 years old and applying for a New Jersey driver license, make sure to have your parent or guardian sign a consent form. It's a team effort. When applying for a standard New Jersey driver license, gather your documents. You'll need proof of your social security number, a New Jersey residential address, and 6 points of identification. Remember, English documents or approved translations are the way to go. Drivers under age 21 who possess an examination permit, special learner's permit, or probationary license shall not operate a motor vehicle without displaying 2 visible reflective GDL decals, which are provided by the Motor Vehicle Commission, on the license plates of the vehicle. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through some of the laws and regulations governing driving licenses in the Garden State.